Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to log into your Georgia Gateway account. Georgia Gateway is a secure portal that provides access to a range of government assistance programs in Georgia, such as food stamps, SNAP, Medicaid, TANF, and more. Follow these simple steps to sign in and manage your benefits efficiently. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the Georgia Gateway website. Launch your preferred web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type www.gateway.ga.gov. Press Enter to load the site. Step 2. Click on the My Account Login button. Once the page loads, locate the My Account section on the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. Step 3. Enter your login information. On the next page, you will see two fields to enter your account information. Username. Enter the username you created when registering for your Georgia Gateway account. Password. Enter your secure password. Double check that the information you entered is correct. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can click the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links for assistance. Step 4. Complete the CAPTCHA. To ensure that you are not a robot, you will be asked to complete a CAPTCHA. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Step 5. Click Sign In. After completing the CAPTCHA, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Step 6. Access your Georgia Gateway dashboard. Once signed in, you will be taken to your Georgia Gateway dashboard. Here, you can check the status of your benefits, upload documents, make updates, and perform other tasks related to your assistance programs. Troubleshooting tips. Clear your browser. Cache. If you experience loading issues, try clearing your browser cache or cookies. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for smooth access. Account lockout. If you attempt to log in with the wrong credentials too many times, your account may get locked temporarily. Wait a few minutes and try again. That's all. You have now successfully signed into your Georgia Gateway account. By following these easy steps, you can manage your government assistance benefits from the convenience of your home. If you need further help, visit the Georgia Gateway help page or contact their support team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials.